If you are looking to buy this for a stocking stuffer, I wanted to show you an unboxing of this brilliant combination. So typically, if you are a smoker or just an EDC type person who happens to want to keep a lighter on you, a form of fire is always smart, especially in a survivalist type situation. And so to combine it with a pocket knife is very smart. And so this is from Blade City. The unboxing is like so, just in case you're wondering, will this suffice as a gift? And you can see in this little port right there, that's where we slide the classic BIC lighter. This in length is about 2.5 inches in length like so, and in width we are just about 1 inch. So those are the conventional dimensions of just the plastic BIC lighters. And then as for the knife itself, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is nice. Oh, and it locks in like so, so it's not gonna be sliding back on your knuckles if you need to use it. So it combines it quite nicely. Okay, so to actually put it back, we're gonna unlock it like this, and then, wait, oh, that is sharp. Oh, that is like razor sharp. Wow, okay, be careful with that. But it is not a switchblade, so it's not going to deploy in your pocket. And it also has a little pocket clip like so, which could also double as a money clip, because you can see that is quite robust like so. Let's go ahead and open it up one more time. It doesn't open up fully all the way. I wish it did. Let's give it a little love, shall we? Here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Nope. There we go. Just give it a little wrist action and then it opens up. Okay, that is it. I'm going to put a link to this in the description below to Blade City along with the promo code if in fact you are one of those people who's like, you know what? I'm going to be minimalist and I'm going to combine both my BIC lighter as well as, oh, there it goes, a small little pocket knife and a money clip as well. Man, that is cool.